This is my Look Fantastic beauty box for February. I believe it's around $26 a month. It comes from England. There's no, right now at least for me anyway, there was no shipping cost, so that's all included in there. So let's see what we got in this month's box. And you get a booklet that explains what all the things are, and then it gives you guidance on doing different things like that. So let's see what we got in here this month. A lot of nice big products. Here's a big one. Naobe toner. Not really a toner person, but I'll give it a go. Any kind of skincare is what I like, and that's why I kind of like this one. This is Espa. This is a oil, body oil, detoxifying body oil. I will always take skincare. And this lipstick. But I can't get it open. Illamasqua mini, $10. Bang, I think is the color. I think I have to take this off to get it open. Yes. Not bad. I like the color. Ooh, yeah. That's one that I like. It's a little mini. That works though. I love lipsticks. So far, so good. Here is a lip mask. Never tried one of these. I think I have a couple of them, but never tried them, so we'll give that a go. And then we have Filorga. It's a mask. Radiation mask. Doesn't say if it's for the face or the hair or the... It's a brightening face mask. I love skincare. And then I think this is the last. It is a Brushworks Beauty Blender complexion sponge. British. I don't really use these. I use my fingers or regular brushes, but I do use BB cream. So I will try it with that, see how it works. That and my concealer, and I think that's it for this round. So almost all of them I like or want. There's one that I'm not crazy about, but that's not bad. And they're pretty big sizes. So let me know in the comments below. I'll probably get another one or two of these. I like to try different ones to review them. So let me know in the comments below if you have any that you want me to review that I haven't already. You can watch my lists. Go back to old videos for all the ones that I've gotten. I've sorted them into playlists. And so we'll catch you next month. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.